Congratulations and thank you very much, sirs, for accepting the invitation.
Thank you very much. Papasalamat lang. Siguro, in behalf ng aking mga kasamahan, hindi lamang yun nandito ngayong araw, kung hindi yung naisama sa class 89, nagapag-conclude class of 1989. Magpapasalamat kami lahat for this great honor that you have bestowed upon us. At alam niyo, ang para sa amin ay this is a very important day because biglang dumami ang aming mga naging classmate, ang aming naging kaibigan, at ang aming mga kakampi. So, thank you very much. And asahan ninyo that alam naman natin na kadalasan ay mga honorary na membership, honorary na adoption na ganito is sometimes only ceremonial. Asahan ninyo, at least certainly in my case, hindi kailangan maging ceremonial lamang.